house, but I need a house like this.
Yeah.
It's cool to ride on your yacht, but I need a yacht like this. It's
Yeah.
cool to ride on your jet, but I want a jet like
Righteous.
this. And I said, no, I don't want to ride on yours. You show me how to get it. You can't be my friend if you can't show me how to get it. Because once they show me how to get it, then I can install it in my children. Then it trickles down.
It's a bloodline thing.
Yes. So it's about wealth. You know,
Right.
I'm no longer rich. I'm wealthy.
Right. So what about the fighters that are under your wing? I know you're teaching them how to be great fighters, but are you teaching them how to be great businessmen? Because you are the best.
I'm trying.
Floyd, on some real talk, I would sign you on some business shit.
I'm trying.
I know I can't fight like the fighters, but I would sign you on some business shit.
What I'm telling them is this. I had to learn.
Right.
You know, it wasn't easy. It didn't happen overnight for me. It was a couple bumps in the road, but I believe in just putting fighters in a position to get a monthly check for the rest of their lives. Like, well, you have a young guy right now. I say, yeah. Would you take $200,000 a month, $200,000 a month for the rest of your life, or if I give you $100 million right now, would you take it? With the mind frame that I got now, I know what I can do with the $100 million. But still, if I was a young fighter, because if you have $100 million and you don't have a game plan,
you really don't have $100
You really
million.
don't have $100 million. You still broke.
Righteous.
Actually.
Righteous.
You got money for a short period of time. Whereas, you know, the $200,000 gonna come every month.
And it's
you
there.
You can fuck it off.
Right.
It's
And
still
it's gonna be
come.
there.
It's always gonna be there.
Right.
So what I did was this. You know, I fucked off millions, but I wasn't stupid. I always kept 9 figures. Wasn't crazy. And I got more 9 figures coming.
Right.
Then I'm gonna invest. And I take that money and I got my real estate portfolio is amazing.
Floyd Mayweather said it the best. He said, the people you hang around can make or break you. He didn't say it in those words, but his main point is you have to hang around people who can help elevate you and show you a way. But before I start, hold on, cue the intro. My name is Marcelle. I do mortgages. I want to help you become knowledgeable on mortgages. Let me give you the behind the secrets they don't want you to know about. Shh, I'm here to give it to you. Bing! Hey guys, so real Mr. Marcelle, aka your favorite loan officer. If you're new to my channel, this channel is about real estate, stocks, bonds, passive income, vending machines, and just showing you guys how to create more wealth. So in this video, Floyd gives us 4 major tips that I'm going to touch upon. A lot of people see Floyd as just a boxer, but he's actually a lot more. He's a great businessman, and you can learn a lot from him. He has over 9 figures in his bank account, as he stated. So the first point is, hang around people who can help you grow. You don't want to hang around people who are just in the same spot every year and not doing anything with their lives. Because you hanging around them, you're going to become them. You become the people you hang around. So if you're hanging out with people who are go-getters, hustlers, or business owners, you're going to slowly start picking up their vibration, their ideas. And also that, especially if you hang around people who are going to show you. Floyd made a big statement. He said, don't just take me with you to get a new jet. Don't just take me on your yacht. Show me how you got it. And that's how you start gaining more knowledge. Because once you have the knowledge, you can pass it down to your family members. And that's what he said in the video. Once I have this knowledge, I can pass it down to my kids and their kids and their kids. And as you guys know, this channel is all about creating generational wealth. And that's one of the things. The second thing he did is he said there's a difference between being rich and wealthy. Rich is only for a few minutes, a moment in time. You're rich, you're good. But when things happen, your business stops, or your source of income, for him boxing, he stops boxing, boom. So he was like, how can I take that into the next level? I don't want to just be rich for now, I want to be rich forever. Once again, you guys are probably getting tired of it, but that generational wealth, he's already thinking that. And as he said when he first started, he would have blown past his money. But now, he knows what to do with it. And that comes to the third part of budgeting your money. So he's starting to budget his money and use that money to create wealth and not be rich for the moment. He said when he has a new boxer, he asks them, hey, would you earn $200,000 a year? for the rest of your life or 100 million now. And a lot of them go for the 100 million, but they don't know what to do with the money. So the 100 million turns into nothing. So just because you have money and you're rich for a moment of time doesn't always translate to having wealth and being wealthy forever. And that's what I want to teach you guys. I want to teach you guys ways on how to create wealth. Wealth that's going to live past you and go into generations. That's what this channel is about. And Floyd is already doing that with his boxes. And as he said, not everyone likes the idea. Not everyone understands that you have to save, you have to budget, even if you have 200,000. And if you can do it at 200,000, guys, you can't get there without starting where you are now. Don't wait, start now. If you only have $1, budget that dollar. Break it into 4 different parts. Let's do some for investing, some for saving, some for you to live on, and the other part could be for you to actually spend and enjoy. You have to enjoy your life. I'm not saying not to enjoy it, but I want you guys to budget yourself and prepare for the future you. So your future you can say thank you. Thank you for putting me in a better place. Thank you for putting my family in a better place. You're only helping yourself. You're not doing it for anyone else. You're helping yourself and the future you. And then from there, the future you is thinking about the other kids. So it starts going down. And lastly, he talks about investing in real estate. Guys, this channel was built on real estate. I fell in love with real estate, and then I started finding other passions. But as you guys know, I'm a core believer in real estate is one of the ways to create the most wealth and pass it down. And even in this video, he says, with 100 million, I know what to do. I can invest it in real estate. He's already telling you what he would do. And the reason why is because it's a hard asset. And if you do it properly, guys, you can create generational wealth, but you also get tax benefits. You also get appreciation. You also get money every month, what I call the mailbox money from tenants. And this channel is going to show you how to do that. If you guys don't know, I'm actually flipping not my own house, but I'm flipping a new house in New York. This is my first time flipping in New York. I usually do Jersey. I've done Atlanta. Can you believe it? I've done Atlanta and I haven't done where I actually live. Go figure. It all depends on where your team is at. And that's where I talk about doing a joint venture partner, where you can check out that video where I talk about having a joint venture partnership and what that is. And you can also check out my first flip in New York that I'm doing with my partners right here in this video. But guys, real estate is one of the best ways to create wealth, and that's what Floyd is telling you. And these 4 tips, I hope you take them and I hope you implement them, because knowledge without implementing is just nothing. Thank you for watching. It's the real Mr. Marcelle, aka your favorite loan officer. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, like, comment, subscribe. If you're interested in learning more about real estate or mortgages, check out the other videos on my channel.